Hey guys, welcome back to another video. This is Castlewood 4x4 show. Come along with us. What is it?
I shouldn't be surprised, should I? I really shouldn't be surprised. I always knew there was something going on.
What's going on?
The white man takes a berry of black.
It was yesterday, but it's today.
It's all weekend.
It's every day.
It's all weekend.
It's all month.
It's all weekend.
Thank you. Some of them are incredible.
Which ones are incredible, Scott?
That one.
Yeah.
That one. That one.
Yeah.
And so does the like banners and everything.
Yeah, we've got confetti all over our.
Oh, really?
Big tractor.
You've only got one leg. Oh no, you've only got two legs.
I hope I got 2 legs. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, there's a like and subscribe button down there. And if you want to help us out, help the channel out by buying us a cup of tea, buying us a cup of coffee, the buy us a coffee link is down there in the description below. You can also become a YouTube member, and anything that we edit we'll upload to YouTube, and you guys get to see it first before anyone else. Other than that, thank you very much for watching this video. Thank you very much if you've liked and subscribed, and we look forward to seeing you at the next show video.
Indeed.
Yes, right, on to the next one. See you, everyone.
Bye. Spatteroonie.